Hey everyone, my iPod is now working. I have been charging this for so long, but still the battery looks empty. So I'm gonna use this Iteracare to hit the back part, and we will see if this will be charging. Until now, it's still so low. Let's see. Look at that. It's now opening. I never expect, because I've been cutting this for almost 3 hours and still the battery is low. But because I use Iteracare, okay, and suddenly it's not charging, it's not working. That's amazing. There you go. My iPad is not working. Awesome. So it's not only all about the human body, but also some gadgets that are not working, like this iPad. It's been a while that I have been thinking on what to do and how can I, turn this on, but seems like the battery is so low. Even though I had charged this for a very long time, but still, look at that, it's now 100%. It just needs to be heated like the bone in our body for it will be awakened. Amazing. There you go. Thank you, Iteracare.